what are those core values, or what are those core things that has made V Commission what it is right now? And not just V Commission. We know that okay, V Commission is a 9-10 figure company, 100 plus team members. You guys have so many sister companies. You guys invest in different ventures as well, and then you guys keep coming up with something or the other. You guys do events as well. There is so much that's actually cooking. It's not just V Commission overall. So in such a short span of time, how have you guys now? Of course, I'm not really asking you to go into the details of it, but what are those things, those attributes that you guys use in your, on a daily basis when you're making business decisions, when you're doing partnerships, when you're investing? What is it that We Commission is looking into? What is it that Parul is looking into? When in terms of growth. So what have been your secrets in the last 14 years?
Nishkarsh, the most important one in bold and underline has been commitment.
Hmm.
If we commit something to someone, number one, of course, we try to deliver it as much as possible. But then there are situations also where you cannot still face the situation and stand there in front of the person and not disappear. I think commitment is the most important thing that has worked in our favor, especially in the affiliate industry when Indian affiliates themselves did not trust Indian, networks. I think V Commission is one such network that has the reputation, to pay on time. My, finance team, though most finance teams have targets to on receivables, my finance team also has a target on payables. So,
Okay.
yeah, because we want to pay on time. We don't want
Hmm.
invoices just standing and not paid or not closed, whatever. So I think the
Hmm.
most important thing for us has been commitment, whether it is internally, whether it is externally. And I'm very, I feel fortunate that we've been able to live up to it, not just Tarang and I, but my whole team put together. So I think this is something that we really try to inculcate in our people, that and even if someone commits something and he moves out of V Commission, we make sure that the commitment is honored. So that I think has been the most important factor for us to grow and scale when the industry has been so dynamically changing in the past 14 years. I thousands of networks have mushroomed up, and the
Hmm.
reason why we still hold our position and we don't succumb to new energetic companies still being the elephant size that we are is because there are
Hmm.
certain values that we want to stand by. So one definitely is honoring our commitment.
Yep.
Second, I would say, Nishkarsh, is integrity. We never try to cheat someone. We never try to cut back on anything. We never try to indulge, in practices that are only beneficial to V Commission and are not beneficial to the other party, because, our line of business is such that I am a network. I am neither the advertiser, I am not the
Yep.
publisher, and I am
Mhm.
not going to grow, I'm not going to flourish unless both of them come to me. So I think the second one has definitely been integrity, or we can also call it win-win. So that also has really led us to grow. The third one, I would say, is knowledge. We are a very, very knowledge driven company. We don't just talk about things, but we want to understand what's going on. So everyone in my company has, a bottom line of understanding what the knowledge is about, where the industry is going, what are the new practices, what is the upcoming new thing that we need to keep up with. Because now that we are such a large size of team, we cannot afford to miss out on the knowledge. So even Tarang and I, we are constantly studying, we are constantly upping our knowledge, especially with young people like you. So when he travels to events, when he goes into masterminds with new industry or young dynamic people like you, our personal intention there is to learn more on what's going on in the industry, how can it impact our business in any way, how can we learn. So I think
Cool.
that these three things are really have been really helpful for us. Like both of us have never really worked before, हमने कहीं job नहीं करी है. So still building a process driven company, it's just that we learn from people, turning investors, how to invest,
Hmm.
how to
Hmm.
grow your investee companies, so that our ultimate goal is not just to raise funding to survive. So I think these are few things that we attribute our constant knack of learning and grasping whatever knowledge we can from wherever we can.
Beautiful. So yeah, this one thing that you mentioned about commitment, sticking to one word, one's word and honoring one's word, absolutely. And I align with that. I really align with that. And this sounds easy, but it's very difficult to stick to, especially when, let's say, you've committed something. In fact, I remember this conversation that Tarang was having with us in the mastermind, wherein he mentioned something wherein they made a commitment, and fulfilling that was actually meant bearing a huge loss for the company, but it was still done because the affiliates, or I don't know, the partners had to be paid. There was this one thing that he was mentioning. So I totally agree with that. The second thing that you mentioned about integrity, 100%. In fact, this reminds me of something. I'll tell you. Yesterday, I'm Digital Dukandar, this venture of us. We're in the coaching space, wherein we sell, we help people build e-commerce businesses. So
I
there was
know, I
this one
follow
man.
you.
Yeah, so there was this one man who joined the program, who joined the Digital Dukandar program, and I received this long email from him, wherein he had, shared some really unpleasant things, like, you guys are cheats, you guys are faking screenshots, you guys, your success stories, they're fake accounts, and keep give me my money back, or just keep your money and keep it for your family, and do this, all
Yeah.
unpleasant things that you would not really want to hear. So I'll tell you, like, when I read that, of course I felt bad. Who wouldn't feel bad reading all of that? But I just asked him one thing, couple of things. One of them was that, okay, I said, listen, man. And he used these words that I'm gonna, I'm in the media industry and I'm gonna, call you out and I will do unleash you and all of that. I was able to say this to him that, okay, man, listen, if you can prove that there's even one screenshot that we've shared is fake, prove it. Invite me for a live interview. If you can prove that there's even one screenshot or even one result that my community has shared has been done by us, prove it. Invite me for an interview. And three, if there's even one promise that we've made and we've not really stuck to it, or we've not delivered it, prove it. I was able to say this to him that, okay, this is it,
Yeah.
this is how it is, because, like, these are three things that we believe in. That one, you want to be truthful, you want to be honest, you want to have integrity, and definitely you want to be authentic. A
Yeah.
lot of times, people, they make huge commitments, are not able to deliver it, and then things just fall. Things just fall. In fact, I was having this conversation with my team yesterday, when I was sharing this incident with them, and this is what I said: that next time if this happens, just be confident. You don't want to lose your calm, because what we do, like, everything that we do is being done with sheer integrity, honesty, and authenticity. So stick to that, and this is very
Absolutely.
important. Yeah, and this is so freaking powerful, because when you have integrity, like, no one in the world, be it your client, be it an affiliate, be it anyone, can show you down or raise fingers at you. And even if they do, people will raise fingers at you, of course. But when you look yourself in the eye, you're gonna know that, listen, I'm doing the right thing. So
Yeah.
I absolutely
But
agree with that.
I'll add another angle to it, Nishkarsh. So obviously, I think what you did is amazing, and as an entrepreneur, facing a feedback is the most important thing. My people always tell me that why are you so active on Facebook and Instagram? We can handle
Mhm.
queries ourselves, and you don't need to come. And I was like, no, I've got to handle it. So all the social media, public platforms, I handle myself because I've got to face it for two reasons. One, obviously, I know that we are right, but second, also, Nishkarsh, being in my position, if my company is doing something wrong, only people will tell me that. People inside of my company, either they will not be able to identify. If they are able to identify, I unfortunately they will not own up to it. So I think it is
Hmm.
very, very important also, that external feedback be heard with an open mindset. Obviously most of it is not authentic, most of it is driven out of an egoistic emotion.
Hmm.
But even if the 1% has to be true, that gives me the window to improve, because ultimately I am in the service industry and I have
Hmm.
to service people. That's what runs my business, that's what runs my home. So till date I am very active on social media. There is a support channel that we have, support email ID at vCommission, that is still configured on my laptop, and no one else in the company monitors it but me. I handle all the hundreds of queries that we get every day myself, because I want an open eye into the world. I want to see what people perceive me. I might be a 10-digit revenue company, I might be doing whatever revenues. If I
Hmm.
go out, no one will come and tell me that your company is doing it. People will not.
Hmm.
Number one, I'm a girl. Number two, I'm running a company. So,
Hmm.
I just feel I will not get honest feedback out in the world. So I have to look out for options where I can get honest feedback, where I can even rectify things if needed.
Beautiful. Yeah, agreed. I agree with that. Criticism can really, so criticism, or let's say feedback from unhappy customers, it gives you an opportunity to solve problems, to be creative. And
Yeah.
yeah, I absolutely agree with this thing that you said about people are going to tell you problems that you, or let's say your team, would not be able to figure out. That's pretty
Yeah.
good.